That was cute. She's like, I like the toy, just kidding. We have Thomas here to meet Mystic. Thomas is a playful, stable male. Mystic is an energetic little forever puppy. She's very cute. Little Miss Mystic is this adorable little low-riding lab pittie mix. She's estimated to be around 2 years old, believe it or not. This girl is a forever puppy if we've ever seen one. She is a rescue, so these are just our best guesses. Mystic is affectionate and sweet with her humans. She loves to snuggle with her foster mom. She is super playful with other dogs, energetic and fun with them, but she knows how to settle down when she's inside. This girl is super duper dog friendly. She did great with every dog she met here at the rescue, and she has been fostered with an array of dogs ranging in size from big Pittie to teeny tiny chiweenie. She did just fine with all of them. She is super sweet, super affectionate, and she has the softest coat. This girl is just too easy to love, and she is available for adoption. Leashes are dropped and the bunny hops have began. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Good.
So we have Mystic here to meet Latte. Latte is a stable girly. She's been here at the rescue for a while. Mystic is a pretty excited creature, so she can kind of get really excited and get a little too energetic.
Latte.
Good lady. The same size as me. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'm unsure of this.
I'm used
Good
to the
girl.
bigger
That was
dogs.
much better meeting. Yes.
I'm used to bigger dogs.
Good
Here we
job,
go.
Mystic. Oh, and now we're getting
Here we
playful.
go.
Cute
Good
little bunny
girl.
hops.
Hey.
Mystic, Latte, and Thomas are all playing up a storm right now. Oh my goodness. So cute. So cute. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Where do I choose? Thomas.
They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, the little bunny hops! Oh my goodness. They are having so much fun. It's an all-girls party now. It's just Latte and Mystic out in the yard, and they are really enjoying each other's company. Hey, puppy! What are you doing?
Yes.
Okay, so we have Mystic doing her food test. Sharing her food with Latte. Oh my goodness.
There you go. Sniff it.
That was cute.
I'm gonna let Latte.
You're stealing some food. How do you feel about that, Mystic? All good. She says, all good. I forgive and I forget. I'm a really sweet pup.
Are you a pretty girl? Yes. Yes, you are.
Opie, what do you think about our new little foster girl? Huh? You're such a pretty girl. You want to come out here? Let's come. Let's go out here. Come on, Mystic. What a good girl. Did you bring that ball back? Did you bring this ball back? Are you going to go get it? I didn't throw it yet. Mystic. Bring it here. Stick. You're so pretty. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. take it so nicely. She,
Where are you going?
when I took her to the vet, she was not a big treat person. I had to do like, that's why I was like trying to find special treats for her. Chicken, I gave her chicken nuggets that day I went over because she wasn't particularly a treat dog. She got afraid of the basket. She's like, what is this?
Do you want toys? Do you like toys? Yeah. Yeah. She's been going crazy for it, but then every time I try to get her to grab it, she doesn't grab it. Boop! Go get it. Go get it. Oh, Dad's cute. Cute, cute, cute. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What's that? Is that a bunch of toys? Is that a bunch of toys? Are you a pretty girl, Mystic?